Hello everyone. Now today we will start our next lesson, that is degrees of adjective. When we use degrees of adjective, when we want to compare some things. Now there are three types of degrees. First, that is positive degree. Second, comparative degree, and third, superlative degree. Now you have to see the positive degree. When we use the positive degree, when we want to describe something, not to compare. When we want to describe something, that time we use positive degree. Next, that is comparative degree. When we want to compare two things. Again I will repeat. When we want to compare two things, that time we use comparative degree. And the last part, that is superlative degree. When we want to compare more than two things. Understood? When we want to compare more than two things, that time we use superlative degree. Listen student, positive degree we use only to describe the things. Comparative degree we use only compare two things, not more than two. But in superlative degree we compare more than two things, person, places. Okay. For example, you have to see here. Ram is a tall boy. Second, Sham is taller than Ram. And third, Divyesh is tallest among all. Now student, you have to see the first number example. What is given? Ram is a tall boy. So here adjective tall only describe how is a Ram. How is the Ram? Ram is a tall boy. Now second you have to see. Now Sham is taller than Ram. Means when Ram and Sham compare, that time we use the comparative degree. So here which adjective come? Yes, taller. Now you have to see the third number example. What is given? Divyesh is tallest among all. Means when we compare more than two, that time which degree we use? Yes, superlative degree. So here we compare Divyesh with Ram and Sham. So how is Divyesh? So Divyesh is tallest among all. Means tall describe positive degree, taller describes comparative degree, and tallest describes superlative degree. When we speak or when we describe something, that time we use positive degree. So when we describe Ram, that time we use positive degree. Ram is a tall boy. When we compare the Ram with Sham, that time we use comparative degree. So Sham is taller than Ram. So here we use the adjective taller. And when we compare more than two, means when we compare Divyesh with Ram and Sham, that time we use superlative degree. That is Divyesh is tallest among all. So here tallest describes superlative degrees. Children, have you observed here? In positive degree, the adjective come as it is. For example, tall. When we compare in a comparative degree, that time adjective come with er, that is taller. And when we compare more than two things in superlative degrees, that time adjective come with est, means tall, taller and tallest. See how the adjective change. In positive degree, adjective come as it is. In comparative degree, adjective come with er, that is taller, and in superlative degree, adjective come with est, that is tallest. Now we have to see the more example. Now we have to see in positive degree, if the adjective come happy, so in comparative degree it will come happier, and in superlative degree it will come happiest. Now second example, see lazy in positive degree, lazier in comparative degree, and laziest in superlative degree. Now student observe here in comparative degree and superlative degree the adjective change, means if the adjective end with the letter y, so the adjective change in comparative degree and also superlative degree. In comparative degree, instead of y we add IER, that is happier, and in superlative degree we add IEST, that is happiest. Same thing happen with lazy. Now you have to see these two adjective end with the letter y. So lazy, lazier, laziest. You have to keep in your mind, if the adjective end with the letter y, so instead of y we can add there I. So in comparative degree it will come IER, and in superlative degree it will come IEST. Now you have to see the next rule. If the adjective end with the letter E, so we add R in comparative degree and ST in the superlative degree. See the example. Simple in positive degree, simpler in comparative degree, and simplest in superlative degree. Next adjective, see large. This adjective also end with the letter E. So in comparative degree it will come larger, and in superlative degree it will come largest. Means if the adjective end with the letter E, in comparative degree we add R, and in superlative degree we add ST. So that's why adjective come simple, simpler, simplest, and large, larger, largest. So student understood degrees of adjective means what? What is the types of degree? That is positive, comparative and superlative. Positive degree we use to describe some things. Comparative degree we use to compare two things. And superlative degree we use to compare more than two things. So student understood what is the degrees of adjective? You have to revise the video.